We're looking to, with VietLead and EWB Philly, build a compost system, a water catchment system, or rain catchment system, and the greenhouse. We specifically, Temple EWB, is working just on the greenhouse, but we are collaborating with other professional engineers.
Today we're taking some measurements for the plant beds, move some things around so we could have more space to throw our greenhouse in for a more efficient spot.
Right now we are looking at finalizing our ideas for the designs, getting quotes on how much it'll cost, and then we're going to move into the design phase where we actually get sketches of everything done, develop a plan of how we're going to get everything built and installed, and then hopefully by August we'll starting construction and we'll have everything done just in time for the kids to get back from school.
So the students will get to interact with each of those. They'll get to use the composting system. When they go to school, they'll get to walk into the greenhouse and, grow plants, and they'll get to use the rain catchment system to water the plants. So it's really cool to see what we're doing impact young kids, and they get to learn from what we're building.
Working locally, it's been keeping involvement and activity in the club running.
We always have something going on.
You're learning math and science on Zoom even right now, and you don't get to understand what it's really like to apply these concepts to the community and to be helping people with them and to be using them and to be getting your hands dirty and doing the work. So it's really cool to be right in the Philadelphia community and using the knowledge that we're learning in school to make real change. And even if it's just a greenhouse, or even if it's just something small, you can see the impact that it has on the people that are your neighbors.